guys. Hi, my name is Shun. I am a professional boxer in Japan and I am a personal trainer. And today I'm gonna show you my diet recipe. Actually, I'm losing weight now, so I want to introduce my Japanese recipe for losing weight. Yeah. Well, have you heard of it? It's we call genmai. It's kind of rice, Japanese rice, but it's very light. So if you eat like all this, just only 138 gram. It's very light. So when I lose weight, I often eat this one. It's very tasty. So now I'm gonna show you how to eat this for losing weight. I prepare egg too. I love egg, especially raw. Yeah, that's it. I think it's only 30 gram. It's very light. So if you eat this, you don't get fat. This one. Dun. Oh shit. Oops. Like this. Like this. Okay. And then if you like salt, I always put salt into this. It's very tasty, man. Yeah, this is my diet recipe.